Wake up like never before with Sensorwake Trio, the first alarm clock that activates your senses with smell, sight and sound.
Introducing the 3-minute, 3 steps with Sensorwake Trio. We have evolved from a simple scent-based alarm clock to an all-in-one device that stimulates your senses, smell, light and finally sound. 3 steps, 3 minutes. Minute 1, it starts off with your selected smell, then minute 2, the soothing light, and finally minute 3, a motivating melody. Snooze however long you wish, and Sensorwake will repeat the alarm in 10 minutes. 1 capsule lasts 30 mornings. Replace it every month.
We have 100% natural derived fragrances for fresh awakenings, such as pine forest or rose garden, as well as breakfast-inspired fragrances like chocolate factory and orange juice. And the most popular is also my favorite, cappuccino. Our patented dry diffusion technology is safe, healthy and mess-free.